Okay, this is 807 Alamanda Drive in Largo, and we are at the clean out on the far right hand side of the house. There's a main trunk line that runs from west to east, so we're 55 feet in all the way at the bottom of the stack, and this video is post jet, just showing the difference in the pipe from the first time we were here when it was completely full of scale until now. So all in all, I would say the jetting was absolutely successful. There's just a couple little spots, but we don't want to scrub them too hard. Compared to the first video, we removed a ton of scale. There's a large pile. It's always hard to see on the camera, but large pile of scale down in the hole where we just performed the jetting. Thanks for watching.